register register 动词登记注册
Over 500 students registered for the two-night computer science workshop.
discussion discussion 名词讨论谈论
After a brief discussion, the officials decided to reschedule the board meeting.
insist insist 动词坚持坚称
He insisted on paying for the dinner as it was our first time visiting his hometown.
sharp sharp 形容词锋利的尖的剧烈的副词正好
Vehicle sales were up due to the sharp drop in gasoline prices.
absence absence 名词缺席
Because of her injuries, she was granted a 3-week leave of absence with pay.
take part in take part in 片语参加出席
More than 46,000 system users took part in this year's survey.
overview overview 名词概述概要
The following is a brief overview of the software development process.
finalize finalize 动词最后确定使结束
I want the proposal finalized by the end of the week.
convince convince 动词说服使相信
You need to convince parents that their kids will benefit more from our programs.
workshop workshop 名词研讨会
A step-by-step demonstration of the program will be provided during the workshop.
neutral neutral 形容词中立的
I have tried to maintain a neutral position on this issue.
communicate communicate 动词沟通交流
Workers are encouraged to communicate through the internet during the pandemic.
attend to attend to 片语照料处理注意
4 medical workers were appointed to attend to the seriously injured firefighter.
slide slide 名词投影片动词滑动
To our surprise, the presenter read from his own slides throughout the presentation.
assert assert 动词坚定主张
Many researchers assert that the murderer has no mental illness.
guest speaker guest speaker 名词特邀讲者
We have invited the mayor as our guest speaker for our conference this year.
session session 名词会议场次期间
The next session will start at 1 o'clock sharp in the afternoon.
agenda agenda 名词议程
Could you make 3 more copies of the agenda for the interns?
figure out figure out 片语想出搞懂
We brought in outside consultants to help us figure out new marketing strategies.
hold hold 动词举办容纳持有
The auditorium can hold up to 2,000 people.
proceed proceed 动词继续进行
Product development is now proceeding at a rapid pace as expected.
minute minute 名词分钟会议记录
Whose turn is it to take the minutes of today's meeting?
irrelevant irrelevant 形容词不相关的
Please help improve the report by removing irrelevant information.
association association 名词协会关联联想
The association predicts that unemployment rates will keep rising until 2022.
confer confer 动词商讨商议
Please confer with a tax expert before you start your own business.
brief brief 形容词短暂的简短的
A question and answer session will follow a brief speech made by the author.
intermission intermission 名词中场休息间歇
I want to get a cup of coffee during intermission.
speech speech 名词演说致辞
Doris is going to give a speech on the effects of greenhouse gas emission.
deviate deviate 动词偏离背离
My favorite part of the movie adaptation deviates from its original novel the most.
concise concise 形容词简明的简要的
Proposers are required to keep their presentations concise.
哟，听到这个音乐就代表这期影片当中的30个多益必考单字算是复习完毕啦。还记得我们从 Ebbinghaus 的遗忘曲线中所得出来的结论吗？与其一次长时间死命的背很多单字，倒不如运用每天琐碎的时间观看影片，将复习中间间隔的时间缩短，观看次数的频率拉高，才能提高记忆单字的效率哦。那如果觉得影片内容对你有所帮助的话，也请帮我按赞、订阅、留言、分享，让 YouTube 演算法知道这是一支值得推广的影片。好，这期影片到此就算差不多啦。我是 Parker， 这是帕克英文，我们下期影片再见啦，拜。